Hi, I'm Tom Oates of Callaway Cars, and right now we're at Tim Lally Chevrolet in Cleveland, your performance dealer. In fact, Tim Lally is a Callaway dealer, and we're right here with the most powerful 7-passenger full-size SUV you can buy in America. That's right, this is the Tahoe RST Callaway SC560. That is a supercharged 6.2-liter Tahoe. Imagine 560 horsepower under your right foot, and this retains the full factory warranty. That is a Callaway proprietary GenThree supercharger system, TripleCooled, Intercooled. It is not something you can go buy off the shelf. This is not a kit somebody else can install. This is done by the engineers at Callaway, powerfully engineered since 1986. Callaway has been a GM supplier. It's shipped right from GM, right to Callaway. We build it, and then it comes right here to Tim Lally Chevrolet, your performance dealer in the Cleveland area. Get yourself a 560 horsepower Tahoe from Tim Lally Chevrolet.